Let's learn some more greetings than just bonjour, shall we? Hi everyone, bonjour à tous, I'm Keshi and this is Let Us Learn French. If you're excited to start learning some greetings in French, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe as well as hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Bonjour. Good morning. Hello. Bonjour is the basic good morning or hello, and it might be the first thing that you learned when you learned French actually. So you can say bonjour in any situation when you meet someone. It doesn't have to be in the morning. You can also say bonjour in the evening or at night, but we have other phrases coming later in the video that you can use, for example, in the evening. An example would be bonjour à tous, comment ça va? Hello everyone, how are you? Salut. Hi. Salut is a little bit more informal, so you would probably say that to your family and friends. An example would be salut, ça va? Hi, how are you? Or hi, how's it going? Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir is basically the equivalent of bonjour, but in the evening. Bonsoir, comment s'est passée ta journée? Good evening, how did your day go? Or good evening, how was your day? Bonne nuit. Good night. I'm not sure if bonne nuit would be characterized as a greeting because you don't usually say it when you're coming or meeting someone. You usually say it when you're going away or going to bed. For example, if you're going to bed, you might say something like Je suis si fatiguée, je vais me coucher, bonne nuit. I'm so tired, I'm going to bed, good night. Usually, if you're meeting someone in the evening or at night, you would say bonsoir. But if you're going home or going to bed, then you would say bonne nuit. Coucou. Hey. Coucou is very informal, so only use that with your close friends and family. I would say it's a cute way of saying bonjour or salut. Definitely do not use that with your boss, that would be really weird. So just like salut, you could say coucou, ça va? So far I've said that salut and coucou are informal, but you might be thinking, what's the formal way of saying hello then? It's simply bonjour. So bonjour is used in both a formal and informal language in French. So if you're not sure if the situation you're in is a formal or informal one, I would say be safe and just use bonjour or bonsoir if it's the evening. Allô? Hello? This is usually used when you answer the phone, so you would say allô? Oui, Keshi à l'appareil. Or hello? Yes, Keshi speaking. So summary, if it's formal, bonjour, bonsoir. If informal, you could use anything that we learned today, but the greetings that are only informal out of the list that we discussed today are salut and coucou. Of course, there's other greetings in French, but this is just a short video about some basic ones. So those are some basic greetings in French. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below which of those greetings you already knew and which are new ones that you learned today. I mentioned in this video that some of these greetings can be used both formally and informally, for example, bonjour, whereas some are only informal, for example, salut or coucou. But if you want to learn a little bit more about when to use the formal language versus the informal language, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification because next week's video is going to be about that. Once again, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.